We bring amazing videos for Chinese, Japanese, German make and locally built vehicles for our audience. Keep supporting us, guys. If you never subscribe our channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the latest videos. Today we're reviewing a French car which is Peugeot 3008. You can say 3008 or 3008, up to you. We will explore how this crossover SUV impresses with its design, technology and eco-friendly options. Welcome to another review. French cars known for their style and innovation worldwide, from iconic brands like Renault, Peugeot and Citroën to luxury names like DS Mobiles. They embody a unique blend of style and performance. Come back to our car we're reviewing today. Peugeot 3008 is a compact SUV and it's known for its unique and stylish design which sets it apart in the segment. 3 different trim levels on it. You get base model Active, Allure and top of the range GT. All of these models come with 1.6 turbocharged petrol engine with power output of 121 kW and 240 Nm of torque with 6-speed automatic transmission on all models. 0 to 100 km per hour in only 8.9 seconds. Peugeot claims fuel economy of 3008 is 7 litre per 100 km. Peugeot 3008 competes with cars like Haval H6 GT, Hyundai Tucson, Kia Sportage, Audi Q2, Chery Tiggo 8 Pro, Honda CR-V and Mazda CX-5. Talk about exterior design. Peugeot 3008 has sleek and modern design appearance that combines element of traditional SUV with a hint of crossover spottiness. Dimensions on this vehicle are 4.47 meter in length, 1.84 meter in width and 1.64 meter in height. If you look at the front, it's totally different from its rivals. Talk about the front, fully LED headlamps enhanced by Peugeot's characteristic Fang daytime running lights on either side which are instantly recognizable. You also get SDL function in the headlights, which means static direction light function, which improves visibility on bends. It's only available in GT model. You get beautifully designed frameless vertically grille, gloss black side scoops and painted lower bumper trims increase spottiness of this SUV. Moving to the side, in Active model you get 17-inch alloy wheels. In Allure you get 18-inch, but GT line comes with 19-inch San Francisco matte onyx black diamond cut alloy wheels with wheel arches protection enhance the style of 3008. The chrome trim runs from the headlight right to the back of the roof and chrome trim on the doors. GT sign to tell you that this is top of the range 3008. Electric with indicator lamp side mirrors with built-in camera and drop light at the bottom. On top of the roof you get roof rails and shark fin antenna. Big size panoramic sunroof for lightening the cabin and increases spottiness of the French SUV. Moving to the back, you get full LED tail lamps include characteristic 3D claws and scrolling indicators. The lights are covered with smoked lens, extending the black boot strip on either side of the vehicle, which usually enlarge the rear of the vehicle for sportier look. New design rear bumper with chrome on it, dual exhaust pipe down at the bottom. Let's jump inside the cabin. The Peugeot 308's interior is known for its contemporary and upscale design. It features the innovative iCockpit with small sporty steering wheel, a high-mounted digital instrument cluster and a touchscreen infotainment system. Sporty design, small steering wheel with plenty of controls on it, high-resolution digital instrument cluster. It's mounted above the steering wheel, unlike the other vehicles where cluster is hidden under the steering wheel. You also get pedal shifters and GT sign on the steering wheel. You can change different design in the cluster if you change different driving modes from normal to sport. 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with AM, FM, DAB digital radio with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 3008 comes with Focal brand hi-fi sound system which has power output of 515 watts and consists of 4 speakers, 4 tweeters and central speaker, subwoofer and 12-channel amplifier. I really like the sound system of this SUV. It's quite impressive. Down here you get elegant chrome piano keys for climate controls and other functions. They look cool. You get start-stop button and new but different design good looking gear lever. I haven't seen any other car comes with this style gear lever. You get Napa black or red leather seats on GT line. What I like most in this car is these seats. They are 8-way electrically adjustable. Very comfortable for long rides. Leather touch on door pads and on dashboard. On top here you get controls for sunroof to open and close the sunroof. Sunroof, nice and big in size, fills most of the space of the roof. Moving to practicality in connectivity, you get USB-C charging port and 12-volt charging outlet down here. Wireless phone charging. In comfort, you get dual zone automatic climate control, heated front seats with a lot of different massaging functions. I was falling off to sleep while using them. Optional heated steering wheel as well. 2 cup holders in the middle and cup holders on the side. Nice and deep center console storage. It goes right down. And good cubbyhole storage as well. Moving to the back, Napa leather seats. This SUV has good interior space. So you get good legroom, toe room and headroom is perfect here. 2 air vents for rear seats, 12-volt charging outlet, 2 USB-C charging port down at the bottom for rear passengers. Comfortable center armrest with 2 cup holders on it. Moving to the boot, this boot is power lifted and can be opened with the key and swap of your feet under the rear bumper. Boot capacity on this SUV is 520 liters. 12-volt charging outlet here. If you drop rear seats from this lever, capacity goes up to 1357 liters. Under the carpet you get alloy spare wheel with some necessary tools. You can close the tailgate from this button electrically. Here's the key of this Peugeot 3008. Smart, good looking key with Peugeot logo on one side and lock, unlock and button to open and close boot electrically with remote. Talk about safety, the 3008 features a host of safety equipment and driver aids including automatic emergency braking. In GT you get blind spot monitoring system, lane keep assistance, driver attention alert and adaptive cruise control with stop and go function, built-in navigation system, extended road sign recognition, driver assistance plus package, multiple airbags with 5-star rating and front and rear parking sensors. There is another amazing safety feature and that is night vision system. With this function, infrared camera will detect the presence of pedestrian and animals up to 200 meters in front of Peugeot 3008 beyond the range of headlamps and will warn you with an alert signal and emergency braking will be applied. You also get advanced grip control consisting of optimized traction control and hill assist descent control. It will allow you to grip on most difficult conditions like mud, snow and sand. Talk about cost of ownership. 1.6 active will cost you 599,900 rand. 1.6 turbo Allure will cost you 674,900 rand. and top of the range 1.6 GT will cost you 754,900 Rand. Special thanks to Bates Motors Shelly Beach for their support. They have stock of new and used cars of Peugeot, Citroen, Opel and Jeep. Thanks for watching guys, and remember, buying a car is like going to dentist. You know it's necessary, but you're not quite sure how much it's going to hurt you. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Keep smiling, be happy. See you soon in the next video.